What's up, guys? I'm going to show you, if you're interested in what the difference is. The wheels on behind here are 22-inch rims, 265 35 22s are the tires on the rear. And I went for the staggered set for my car. The fronts, now these are 18 by 9 rims on the front, 18 by 10s on the rear, 255 45 18s, which are a good 2.5 inches total diameter shorter, about 1.5 inches shorter on the rear. And look at the width difference too. It's almost 1 inch wider, especially with the rear. That's well over 1 inch wider versus what was on this car. So I know some people like to know what the tire and wheel assembly looks like when you're comparing. Some people are comparing for days and days. It took me over 2 weeks of research and knowing, total diameter and circumference and all that, as far as what I wanted on this car, which is a 66 Plymouth Fury back there. I mean, it took me a long time of Googling and talking to experts and whatnot to know what I wanted. And so yeah, look at the difference there. 265, 35, 295, 45. Considerable difference. 255, 45. So, especially with a muscly car, what you want to say, a classic muscle car, you want some thick meat on the tires. You don't want the little skinny. I mean, look at the difference. You don't want that. I mean, to each his own, but personally, I wanted something thicker and meatier. It has that muscle look to it. And what's amazing is the difference. Imagine what came on this car originally. 15-inch rims, at best. Some of them even had 14-inch. So the 18s, I think, look perfect, personally. Perfect size. I mean, the offset and everything is just ideal. I'm actually going to have to do a 1/2-inch spacer to bring the fronts out just a tad, because I can't use the stock wheel cap because the bearing cap right there is sticking out just a tad. So that's the only thing. And I've got an aftermarket disc brake upgrade kit that I've done there. Anyway, totally satisfied with my lengthy research. And Nitto NT555 kick-ass freaking tire. I mean, badass, grippy, tread looks killer. I tried to find, some red stripe tires, but good Lord, those things were $400 a piece. And I was like, nah, I'm good. I don't need them that bad. So I'm going to stick with just black walls. It's fine. Anyway, might be pointless to some of you, but to some people, they want to see what this looks like side by side. And I'm a person about details. Little details. I am sticky, picky about details. So yeah, these are American Racing rims, model 569 if you look on their website. and it's a 114.3. So that bolt pattern fits a ton of different cars. And I mean, I had to measure mine to make sure, but I actually bought these from another guy who couldn't use them on his car. And because I knew the bolt pattern, I knew that they were going to fit. So saved some money, got them at a nice price on Facebook Marketplace. Anyway, kick ass. Check out other videos. We got stuff about this car and other cars, dirt bikes, Harley Davidsons, street bikes, stuff. So look through our channel if if you're looking for how to fix things, work on things, improve things, little tips and tricks and things on working on vehicles. We've got a few things here and there. We're no top pro mechanic or whatever, but we like to figure things out. That's it. Y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.